What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your Vaseline and also egg alongside with other natural homemade remedy to get a flawless skin, remove dark spots, get rid of wrinkles, and you are going to be loving your skin. So if you want to know what all of this if you want to know what all this is all about, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let me take you right into this video. So the first ingredients, we're going to be needing moringa, and here I have fresh moringa. Okay, so if you have a dry moringa, this is actually going to be perfect remedy for this ingredients. Okay, but of course if you also have fresh moringa, it's perfect. Now where you're going to get your moringa, you can actually order it online, or if you're not in Africa, you can get it in an African store. If you're in Africa, you just walk to your backyard, or if you're in Nigeria, you just walk to your backyard, or anywhere you can get moringa and just cut it, and boof, you have your moringa. Okay, because moringa is literally everywhere around the side. For this, I'm going to be taking just some leaf of the moringa, to get this moringa prepared. We're going to be pounding it. Okay, you can actually blend it, but for now I would have to pound it. Now to pound it and make it fast, I'll have to put in water and then I'll pound it, and I'll be getting the juice. Juice out. We're going to be adding a little bit of water, and then I'm going to be straining this all out. And then pressing it for the juice to come out. Juice. This is actually perfect. Yeah, now the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be egg, and in this we're going to be making use of the egg yolk. Okay, egg yolk helps in tightening up the skin, reducing the size of an open pores, and it also helps to firm up the skin by removing fine lines and wrinkles, and it tightens up the skin so well. So I'm going to be breaking in the egg, and then I would have to be fetching just the egg yolk. Oh my god. And then I would have to be putting just the egg yolk into this mix to stir it all over, and it's going to be looking light green. So the next one we're going to be making use of is Fuller's Earth Clay powder, which is actually very important for the skin. It sucks out excessive oil, making the skin balance. So invariably when you're used to applying Fuller's Earth Clay powder onto your skin, you're not going to be experiencing excessive oil. You're going to be enjoying a normal skin. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth Clay powder, and then now mixing Fuller's Earth into liquid used to be a little bit tough. So we'll have to be patient a little and mix it very well. Now we're gonna be putting in Vaseline. Okay, using Vaseline on the skin, especially if you have a dry skin, is perfect. Okay, it's going to help to maintain moisture onto your skin, and it's also going to help your skin glow. Have that baby kind of skin, so I'm actually going to be taking just a little bit of this because you do not need too much of this. Okay guys, so it's actually not everybody that can actually use Vaseline. If you have an oily skin, you can skip Vaseline and use coconut oil or carrot oil. Okay, or if you don't have carrot oil, you can use olive oil, which I know is actually very reachable anyway. Yeah, so putting in the Blue Seal Vaseline and then mixing it again. Alright, so the last ingredient is tomato. Okay, using tomato on the skin would give you that glow because it's going to help to reduce the size of open pores, which actually makes your skin look excessively oily, and it's also help you glow. Okay, so I'm going to be grating the tomato. If you don't want to grate your tomato, you can actually blend it. Okay, alright guys, so since this actually looks blended, I would have to be putting all of it into this mix. Okay, and then mix it properly, and this is good. Okay, this mix is one in town. It actually helps so much to give you that babyish skin. Yeah, let's go and apply this. What's that? It's tomato now. Okay, so you need this in your beauty regime. This is what you need in your beauty regime. It's actually going to help you so much. Okay, so what you do is that you spread this in on your face, the moringa, just like I said earlier. Okay, you can order your moringa online, but when you are ordering it online, they will have to, you only get the dry moringa, because obviously you won't be able to get the fresh moringa. Yeah, they would have to dry it and package it and sell it. That's basically how they do it. Yeah, so but if you're outside Nigeria, you can get it in an African store. Maybe you can get the fresh one. Okay, so you apply those generously with a double coat, guys. So what you do here is that you would have to be giving it a little scrub. Yeah, because I mean you need to glow, you need to be brighter. I'm not saying you have to bleach, but I say your skin is going to get lighter. Okay, because when all of those problems have actually left your skin, your skin is going to get really light. Scrub like this, then you have to use a lukewarm water to wash this all off, and then you use a toilet soap. So I'm going to be back. Okay guys, so I just finished washing this all off, and I'm going to be using this black African soap to wash my fish. Okay, so you wash everything all off with this Black African soap. You can get Black African soap online too, or you can just order it. There are people who actually sells it. So I'm gonna go wash my face. The soap has actually entered my eyes. I'm not gonna be opening my eyes. I'm gonna go wash my face. Now after you've done this, then you can actually use coconut oil or any very mild lotion that you use, okay? Because if you use some harsh lotion, you're actually adding more to the skin. So it is as simple as that, guys. You can make this anytime and use it, and it is actually very friendly, very mild, and scrub out all of those rubbish on your skin, and your skin is going to be looking flawlessly beautiful. So if you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys, and mwah.